Hi. Hey, everybody. Adam Savage here in my cave. Is it rude to open a video with a burp? Good morning, everybody. Adam Savage here in my cave, and I wanted to talk Q-tips. Q-tips. A really important maker tool a Q-tip is. Hold on, I'm trying to pull one out. Really a spectacular painting tool, a gluing tool, a caulking tool, a smoothing tool, an application of medicine tool. Q-tips are phenomenal. I've been using them for my whole life, and they're great, except that normal Q-tips are a little short. They're also, they have effectively a cardboard stalk. And for painting and stuff, these will work if this is all you got. But like, I wanted something a little more robust. So a couple of years ago, I bought 1,000 of these. And these are Q-tips on a wooden applicator. Now, there's a problem with these, which is that they break with the least amount of effort imaginable. And it's like making me crazy. It takes nothing to break these. I complained about this recently on a live stream. This makes me so crazy because I have these and I consider them useless, but the thrifty in me cannot throw these out. Then I found these. These are great. They're more robust. They have more robust stalks, which I appreciate. They still can break, but I love the big heads. Big head! Oh, he'll be crying himself to sleep tonight on a huge pillar. I know. Everything about that accent was bad. I complained about the Q-tips on... So I like these. These are great. These are fine. These are fine. They don't fill every bucket for me. So I complained about these guys. I complained about these guys on the channel. I mean, I got them all over the place. So I complained about it on the live stream, and people were like, dude, gun cleaning swabs. Gun cleaning swabs. These are from Amazon. We'll include a link in the description below. These have, first of all, oh yeah, much better. I can't break these between my fingers. I mean, I can if I do that, yeah. But the same, yeah, much stronger. Okay, I'll pull one out. Much stronger, and bonus, pointy end, round end. And I also like to, I like to unwind my Q-tips occasionally and kind of get them a little bit slobbier. And these do that nicely. These were not so easy at that. These were a little bit, these sort of fell apart very quickly. That's all right. So one solution was gun cleaning swabs, which is, I love this. These are great. Again, I really dig the pointy end, dull end kind of thing. That is a really nice little feature. So thank you for that. I bought 100 of those. And then somebody else described a type of applicator that were made of bamboo. Oh, I know that was a Ziploc. I just gotta pull these out. Let's see here. These are bamboo. And these are not. Okay, so let's see here. I'm going to pull out one of these, pull out one of these. We're going to try and break. Oh, yeah, way stronger. Lest you think this hand is unnaturally strong, it might be. I'm laughing because the image in my head from my TV show is that I'm literally in my head thinking of like a gram meter that could detect how many pounds of force it takes to break each one of these when you put them on the same thing. And I know I have the gauges, I have the machines, I can set it all up. I don't need to. But it made me laugh to think about a machine for breaking Q-tips and ascertaining their relative strengths and weaknesses. My friends, my fans, my viewers, thank you so much for the recommendation of gun cleaning swabs and also of bamboo swabs. Bamboo way more robust than this piece of garbage. Oh, makes me, and I still can't throw them away. I still can't. I'm going to go put them in the tested maker room or something like that. I can't abide them. They're fine maybe for someone else, just not me. And I got like, I have so many. Yeah. But that's what shop practice is, you know, slowly figuring out what you need and how to obtain it. And it's Rumpelstiltskin. You got to just keep telling people what you're looking for. And like someone's going to have the institutional knowledge to tell you, oh, bamboo skewers is what you want. Because I was sitting there on Amazon, like typing in robust Q-tip. That is not a marketing term that any Frank Lutz in some meeting has like, oh yeah, people are looking for those robust Q-tips, boss. Not really a defining feature in the advertising space. That's a gun cleaning swab. And I can't break them. Whereas again, I can break these. And you can see it's thicker. It's way thicker. Yeah. Okay. So that's really great. Gun cleaning swabs. We'll include the link to these in the description. And then these are bamboo skewers, bamboo swabs. That was the other one. And yeah. So now you can see it's no thicker than its predecessor. Okay, it's a little thicker than its predecessor. But again, yeah. Nope, can't break it. Yeah, we'll finish this. You get to watch me. I'm going to save the gun cleaning swabs, the double-ended ones. But these are going to be my new bread and butter swabs, the bamboo ones. And when I say bread and butter swabs, it's because I'm going to have them live right here at my disposal. I can get another bag in there. Yeah, this is a quick and dirty one. Thank you guys for joining me. I'll see you next time. I can't thank you enough for supporting us by watching the channel. If you've been to our merch store, you might want to head there again because we are always updating our roster with new products. Here is the anime-inspired tested logo in Japanese, one of my all-time favorite new designs. We're also selling tested mugs and tested hats. Oh, and if you want a cup of tea, we're selling that too.
Tested-store.com.
Tested-store.com.